able to slow down enough to use the highways. You'll be the fastest thing in the skyways.
Wow, all this talking is making me thirsty.
Hey, let's take a break.
Alright, let's do it.
Hi guys, are you ready for some coffee? Yeah, gotta get my cup of go juice, my jitter juice.
Yeah, get that lava java.
Okay, so what'll it be? I want a grande caramel macchiato and make that with a mix of soy and coconut milk and then add some hazelnut. Oh, and give me 6 extra shots. Ooh, can you pour it into 2 cups? Half into one and half into the other. I may want to toss in some mini marshmallows later. Alrighty then, how about you, Emmett?
How about an 8-ounce strip?
You put the lime in the coconut, you mix them all up. You put the lime in the coconut, you mix them all up. Now let me get this straight. You put the lime in the coconut.
Ain't there nothing I can take?
I put the lime in the coconut. We put the lime in the coconut. Mix them all up. We put the lime in the coconut. Mix them all up.
Hey, look at this cool toolbox and all these tools.
And no one is here to keep us from stealing them.
We don't even need to carry them away. The toolbox has wheels.
Let's rock and roll.
We put the lime in the coconut. Mix them all up. We put the lime in the coconut. Mix them all up. I put the lime in the coconut. Hey, where's the toolbox?
What?
Somebody must have stole it.
Okay, let's look for clues. The tracks on the wheels lead up this way. I'm getting hungry.
I'll call Blue Shay and he can find us some food. You need something to eat? I think I have an idea. Hey, look at that bird over there.
Where? Is it over there?
Hey, what are you looking for?
That guy said there's a bird over there.
Of where?
What guy? Oh no, he tricked me and stole my popcorn machine. We had our toolbox stolen, and now we're looking for clues to find it.
Hey, here's a clue to help you find the popcorn machine. There's a trail of popcorn on the ground.
Let's follow the trail, but somebody should call the police. Officer Good?
A toolbox and a popcorn machine? You're saying that both of those are stolen? I'll meet you guys downtown. We need to find a place to hide out. I think I have an idea to trap these crooks. Let's put up this sign. Hey look, we can hide in here. Uh-oh, we're caught.
Oh no, we're hiding in jail. I love it when the good guys win.
I love my tools.
And my popcorn. Yippee, yippee.
Oh no!
Oh yeah. Yippee, yeah.
Good guys,
The good guys win. The good guys
Oh
win.
yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We win.